Okay, so on Monday we talked about composing shapes. So what does it mean to compose a shape? To compose a shape means to put together shapes in order to form the new shape or the new figure. So today we will be talking about what it means to decompose a two-dimensional figure. So based on the definition of compose, what do you think decompose means? Yes? Correct. To decompose means to break figures apart. So to decompose means to break apart the shape into smaller. And notice this. And sometimes different shapes. Okay, so why did I put and sometimes different? So we're going to use an example of a rectangle so you can visualize this. So we have a rectangle. And in order to break it apart, we can do it vertically, like this. So we're decomposing this rectangle and we're going to form two shapes. What shapes do we form here? Yes, Emily? Correct, we formed two squares out of the rectangle. So when we decomposed the rectangle, we got two squares. Now what about this? So we're going to use another rectangle. And now I'm going to decompose it like this. So pay close attention. Okay, so I decomposed it the same way, but now I'm going to cut it like this. Now what happened? What shapes do you see here? Yes, Leah? Correct. One square and two triangles. So that's what I mean when I say and sometimes different. You can have the same shape when you decompose a rectangle, for example, or you can have a square and two triangles, which means that the triangle is different than the square. These are two examples, two different ways on how to decompose a rectangle. Later on, you'll be able to decompose this even different ways because we are going to talk about how we can decompose a shape more than one way. Okay, raise your hand if you need me to do another example. I will gladly work another example. Okay, yes, we can do another example. Let's do a square this time. Okay, how do you want me to decompose the shape? Do you want me to decompose it vertically, horizontally, or diagonally? Okay, horizontally. Let's use this. There we go. So now what two shapes do you see there? Good job. We see two rectangles. 1, 2. Does that help? Okay.